Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial on how to download Bumble app. Whether you are looking for love, friendship or professional connection, Bumble has got you covered. So let's dive right in. Make sure you have strong internet connection. First of all, go to Google Play Store on your device. Click on the search bar on the top of your screen. Type Bumble and press enter. Once the search is successful, you will have something like this. Click on the app to get more information. Tap on the install button and wait for a few minutes. As you can see, the app has successfully been installed. Now open the app by clicking on the open button. And there you have Bumble on your Android. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and share it with others. Feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below.